Welcome back to the FDIC Money Smart course, Money Matters. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. In this segment, we'll discuss the fifth and final step in creating a spending plan, and that's to find ways to increase your income. Now, besides decreasing your spending or expenses, and the preferred way to increase your income, like getting a higher paying job or a second job, there's other options for increasing your income that you might not have thought about, such as getting tax credits. Now, examples of tax credit include the Earned Income Tax Credit, or the EITC, and the Child Tax Credit, and there's also the credit for child and dependent care expenses. And you may also qualify for education credits for tax credits for retirement savings contributions. Now let's take a look at one of them, the Earned Income Tax Credit, or the EITC. This is a federal income tax credit for people who work but don't have high incomes. And if you qualify, the EITC lowers the amount of your tax, and you may even receive a tax refund. You may even be eligible for the Advanced EITC, which allows you to receive part of the tax credit in each of your paychecks during the year. And if you qualify for the EITC, just contact your employer to sign up. And just note that the IRS adjusts the income eligibility each year. And it's important to know that getting an Earned Income Tax Credit doesn't affect you being eligible for other programs like the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program, Medicaid, Supplemental Security Income, food stamps, or housing assistance. Now, if you do qualify for a tax refund, you need to be wary of what's called refund anticipation loans. Now, these loans are very expensive. Plus, if you don't get the full refund that you expect, you'll still be responsible for paying off the entire amount of the loan that was given to you. Now, for additional information about the Earned Income Tax Credit and other tax credit, or to get answers to other tax questions, you can visit the IRS website at www.irs.gov or call them at 1-800-829-1040. And to get help in preparing and filing your income tax returns, you can use services available to you from a program called VITA, or VITA, which is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. Or you can call the Tax Counseling for the Elderly program, also called TCE. Now, the VITA and TCE programs offer free income tax help to taxpayers who are low income, disabled, elderly, or who don't speak English. Now, most of their sites offer free electronic filing, or what's called e-filing. And to find the location of the VITA or TCE site in your area, call your local IRS office and ask to speak to the Taxpayer Education Coordinator, or call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. And remember, when you speak to someone from the government or any other organization, remember to write down his or her name and identification number. That concludes this segment of the FDIC Money Smart course, Money Matters. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. Thank you for watching.